Giovanni, let me see your handsome haircut. You ready for school? He's ready for school, y'all. Junior's in the shower. They're getting ready for school. Hey, son. He's on a roll today, y'all. I don't know what it is. Let me show y'all what I got. Ooh, what I got cooking. I got clothes going. Got so much shit I got going on. Let me show y'all what I got going on.
Right. So you ain't getting it. Right.
Let me show y'all. It's that roast. Look at here, ladies. Your girl done messed around and made, I already cut it on, and made a roast. Already, gotta let it heat up.
Right, 25? Maybe? 25?
Yeah. Got laundry going. And I took this out so I can do the potatoes. Oi. But there she is. Oh, y'all look at that food. Tell me my food don't look good. This is dinner. Yes, ma'am, it is. Oh, your girl done went ahead and cooked it. Yes, I did. You did not. So that's dinner. I'm doing laundry. I gotta get the boys ready because my baby goes to school tomorrow with a little handsome haircut. Doesn't he look so cute? Keep on with your little mean self. He's ready for school, y'all. He's gonna be so handsome in the morning. This is mama's son. My hair came out really pretty. Thanks to my beautiful daughter over there.
No, not me.
You did not do my hair. Nevaeh did my hair. Talking about that was me. Oh, sorry, ladies. I done dropped y'all. I dropped you. Okay. But anyways. Ooh, y'all, that steam is hot. But yep, that's how my Sunday is going. I hope y'all are having an amazing Sunday. I got laundry going. Got to clean up this kitchen. Boys' hair is done. Shirts. I found one, but I'm going to go back and get some different shirts. Hopefully, they're ready for tomorrow. That's all that counts, right? We are ready for this first day of school for the boys. Might be a little late, but they're gonna have an amazing time. Dinner's almost done. Javon, when you get done, let's get this blanket out of here. That's what I'm doing though. But anyways, trying to get everything ready for school. Dinner done. Oh, if I drop y'all one more time, I apologize very early. Because I don't know why I'm dropping everybody. What, baby? Yeah, if you want to show the ladies your haircut. Oh, it's done. Let's make Mr. Perry a plate because he's hungry. My poor husband, y'all. Been running around all day. Cut. Let's see what this roast is gonna look like. Let's get him some out. I did red potatoes and carrots. Alright, let's see what the meat's gonna look like.
They're adding the beer.
Y'all, that thing is so tender, it just falls apart. Look at that. It's just falling apart.
If I get the battle pass, the first thing I'm trying to want to sign.
Ooh-wee. That thing's hot, ladies. Wanna show me your haircut? Come on, Jay, come show the ladies your haircut. Y'all look at JJ's haircut for school.
I'm good.
He said he's good. But anyways,
Oh, possible.
ooh,
I was gonna sit there.
I'm gonna give. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. Yes, honey.
Ow.
Then what eating there?
No, what are you doing there?
Wonderful, huh?
There. Hey.
I'll start off with that and see what he thinks. But look, bam, drop that right back in there. It's done. That roast is done. I gotta wash up all these dishes.
Here, dude.
Mr. Perry don't eat bread, so he ain't gonna want the roast. But look at here. It's probably all he's gonna eat too. It's tender, it's moist, it's
I'm
good.
done eating.
It's good, and I'm hungry.